Welcome to another episode of Pastel Drawing by Tavasoli Art. Today we are going to be making a Tree of Life oil pastel painting. Now this is really simple and very easy to do, so if you have no clue about oil pastels, you will be able to make a masterpiece out of this with no problem. I am also later in the video using a paint pen for the black tree and the white highlights, another paint pen. So you don't have to have those. You can use just a regular pencil. It will just not be as dark. Now, if you have drawn this picture along with me, I really want to see it, and you can put that in my Facebook post. That will be in a link in the description. And definitely do comment if you like these colors, if you don't like these colors, or what you think I should be drawing next. I would love to hear your opinions and see your art. Let's all share it together and make a really nice, close-knit little community of people that love to draw and see beautiful colors. Enjoy the tutorial.